All right. So lots of problems with crooked tiles. Tiles that are not straight, that have dropped. Tiles that aren't lining up. The center section with the 3 black or dark tiles right in a row, which doesn't make sense. Uneven spacing. These 2 tiles don't have any space at all for grout. For all the mortar is set already. Once again, another tile with no spacing. This one right here has absolutely no space between one tile and the next. Same with this one right here. There's like no space at all. They're not even. The difference in gaps. Crooked tiles out of place. Whole sections that are falling away. The spacing is not even. This whole section fell down. Places where there's dropped tiles.